Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe. And in today's episode, we are going to discuss one more question on case study based questions. And this question is taken from the topic surface areas and volumes. And this is part number 34. Previously, we have uploaded 33 parts, and the links of few case study based questions is given in the description box. You can go to the description box and watch all these case study based questions so that you will get an idea which type of questions are asked as a case based study based questions and how to deal with such questions. Now let us see today's question. So here is the question on the screen, that Rani wants to make curtains for her window as shown in the figure. The window is in the shape of a rectangle whose width and height are in the ratio 2:3. The area of the window is 9600 square centimeter. Answer the questions based on the above information. दोस्तों, रानी को कर्टन्स बनाना है उसके घर के विंडोज के लिए, और जो विंडो है वह रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में है. The shape of the window is rectangular, and it is given that the ratio of the width and height, width और height की जो ratio है वो दी है 2:3, and the area of the window का area दिया है 9600 square centimeter. And we have to answer the questions based on this information. So let us see the first question of today's episode. Question है कि what will be the ratio of two sides of each curtain other than hypotenuse. यहाँ पर ये दो curtains है. These are the two curtains, and we have to find the ratio of the two sides of the curtains other than hypotenuse. Hypotenuse को छोड़ते हुए जो two sides है उसका हमको ratio find करना है. तो ये सपोज दिस इज द लेंथ और ये हो जाएगी ब्रेड्थ. तो इस लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ का हमको रेशियो फाइंड करना है. हमें पता है कि ये जो विंडो है उसकी लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ का जो रेशियो दिया है वो 2:3 है. सो लेट अस एज्यूम दैट द ब्रेड्थ इज 2x and the length, that is the height, is 3x. So this half part will be x, this half part will be x, and this half part will be x. So the half width of the window will be x. तो ये x हो जाएगी breadth और length हो जाएगी 3x. तो ratio हो जाएगा x upon 3x, and so the ratio will be x upon 3x. X will get cancelled and the required ratio will be 1:3. And therefore friends, the ratio of the two sides of each curtain other than hypotenuse will be 1:3. Now let us see the second question. The second question is that what are the dimensions of the window? What are the dimensions of the window? We have to find the dimensions of the window. We have taken that let the width be 2x and the height is 3x. Width को हम 2x ले रहे हैं, height को हम 3x ले रहे हैं. इसलिए ले रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें बताया गया है कि width और height, that is length, इसका रेशियो है 2:3. इसलिए width is 2x and height is 3x. And area is given as 9600 square centimeter. यह एरिया दिया है 9600 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. हमको एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल फाइंड करते हैं लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ. Very simple this is. So here area is given as 9600 and length is we are taking as 3x multiplied by breadth we are taking as 2x, so it is 2x. And so it will be 9600 which is equal to 3 to the 6x square, and therefore x square, that is equal to 9600 divided by 6, and therefore x square, that is equal to 1600, and therefore x will be equal to square root of both the sides. X will be equal to 40 centimeter. And since x is 40 centimeter, this breadth will be what? Breadth will be 40 into 2, that is 80 centimeter, and height will be what, 40 into 3, that is equal to 120 centimeter. And therefore friends, the width will be 80 centimeter and height will be 120 centimeter, and therefore C option, that is 80 into 120 centimeter, will be the dimensions of the window. Now see the another question. The another question is that what will be the perimeter of the window. Friends, we have to find the perimeter of the window. विंडो का पेरीमीटर हमें ज्ञात करना है, तो पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला है पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 into लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ. Perimeter, that is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length we have calculated in the previous question, that was 80, plus breadth we have calculated, I think length breadth was 80 and the length was 120. So here it will be 120, and therefore it will be 2 into 200, and that is equal to 400 centimeter. So the perimeter, that is equal to 400 centimeter. तो जो विंडो है उस विंडो की पेरीमीटर हो जाएगी 400 centimeter. Therefore option C is the correct option. Now let us move to the next question. So the question is that how much window area is covered by the curtains, whether it is 50%, 75%, 25% or 80%. हमें यहाँ पर ज्ञात करना है कि इन दो कर्टन्स ने, कर्टन 1 और कर्टन 2 ने, इस विंडो का, टोटल विंडो का कितना एरिया कवर किया है. हाउ मच एरिया इज कवर्ड बाय दिस टू कर्टन्स. सो वी विल हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस कर्टन and the area of this curtain, correct? So first we will find the area of the first curtain, that will be, this is a right angle triangle, ये right angle triangle है, तो इसका एरिया जो हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे वो कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, 1/2 into base into height. और इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया भी हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे 1/2 into base into height, and therefore the total area of the curtain, that will be equal to twice of 1/2 into base into height. And so here 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 2 और 2 cancel हो जाएंगे, and we will get area is equal to base into height. So friends, the area of two curtains, that will be base into height, so this will be 40 centimeter, 40 into the height, that is the length, is 120 centimeter. So total area of two curtains will be 12 for the 4800 square centimeter, and the total area of the window is 9600. विंडो का एरिया है 9600 और कर्टन्स का एरिया है 4800. ये कितना है, इससे हाफ है, एंड देयरफॉर द कर्टन्स दैट कवर द 50% ऑफ द एरिया, एंड देयरफॉर द ए ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, दैट 50% ऑफ द एरिया इज कवर्ड बाय द कर्टन्स. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट what is the shape of the window that is uncovered. This is the uncovered window, and you have to say what is the shape of this uncovered window, whether it is right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle or rectangle. So here friends, this question is for you. आपको सॉल्व करना है, and give me the answer through the comment box whether this shape is a right angle triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle or the rectangle. Now friends, we will stop here, and I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.